Welcome to a Capcut tutorial on how to adjust transition length. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is click on the video where you need a transition at. Go ahead and put, I don't want to cut the whole thing. We'll go ahead and add a little cut right here, right? And then let's say we want a transition. So we'll go ahead and head over into, we'll change this back to cursor. Click on that. Go to transitions. Add whatever transition it is that we want to use in between them. And to adjust the length, we would just go ahead and drag it. We could drag it in and drag it out to go ahead and adjust the length of that transition like so. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a Capcut tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.